Good morning! The start of our 6th day in Corsica didn't go as planned. After breakfast, we were just about to start our drive to the beach when something happened. Linda stretched her back when lifting the metal parking blocker. We were in the middle of traffic, so we drove to a nearby calm location to assess the situation. Luckily, the worst pain got better after a while and we decided to continue our trip. But the back took weeks to heal, so Linda might seem a little bit stiff for the rest of our holiday. After an hour drive, we arrived to the Giottani beach, located in a small cove surrounded by tall cliffs. This location offers a beautiful and more sheltered swimming and diving experience. On this beach you can find a harbor only accessible by smaller boats. This side of the harbor is suitable for sunbathing and you can also take a swim easily using the ladders. Or you can just jump straight in the water. The ruins of an old watchtower stand on guard next to the harbor. We were ready to move on to the next beach, but before leaving we stopped to get smoothies from a small cafe. There is a short walk to the beach from the parking area. The trail was quite challenging to walk at some points, but the other option would have been to walk down 500 steps from the town on the south side of the beach. The unique black color of the beach is the result of industrial waste dumped directly into the ocean from the nearby former asbestos mine, which we drove by on the way here. The mine was closed back in 1965 and is scheduled to be destroyed starting from the fall of 2025. Someone had left a message made by stones on the beach, which we very much agreed with. Although the day wasn't perfect due to the back problems Linda was facing, the views and the weather made up for the pain. It was time to head back to Saint-Florent because the sun was really starting to burn us, and the dinner time was getting closer. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, any feedback is always welcome. Subscribe so you won't miss the videos from the rest of our trip, and many more videos yet to come in the future. Bye and see ya!